Hey guys, how's it going? It's Orly here again. Today we're going to be reviewing one of the 5 variants of the Kyrie 5 Nickelodeon SpongeBob SquarePants Show editions, okay? Today we're going to be reviewing the Patrick edition, okay? And you'll see very unique colorway about this one, okay? It's very unique, it's very eye-catching, if you know what I mean. So again, this is the Patrick edition of the Kyrie 5, and we'll jump into it right away, okay? First off, the box, real generic, not really special about it. Nike shoe sign, Kyrie symbol over here on the back, and of course his trademark, all-seeing eye. You know, that's one of the things about his pairs that they got this all-seeing eye pyramid that you see. That's what it stands for. Anyways, so you open the box, take the paper off, and right away, as you can see this colorway. Real quick note, both pairs are the same. The left shoe and the right shoe are exactly the same. There's no difference between them. So today we're only going to be reviewing the left pair, okay? The pink, of course, real eye-catching as you can see. Kind of neon green, and also, the purple, kind of light purple sole, the 5 points, 6 points, excuse me, that you see. And then the Kyrie pink symbol at the bottom. Of course, it says established in 1992. That's the year he was born. So that's why, they put that there, established in 1992. And there you have it. Very pink, as you can see. I'm not a fan of it, the color, so to speak, because it's just it's too much, right? The pink is too much. However, I will compliment it. People who, in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, the color is pink. A lot of people rock this colorway. I saw them rocking this. That was actually a really good, for showing support for patients who go for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, especially in October. I saw them rocking this shoe, and that's when it was released, actually. These variants released in October of 2019. Kyrie is a big fan of the SpongeBob SquarePants show. So you got Nickelodeon to do, a collaboration with them, and they released 5 variants again, like I said before. Let's dive into the specs of the shoe. As you can see, the Nickelodeon, company logo there. The Kyrie symbol on the tongue, it's kind of like a little shade of red. It's not fully pink, but it's kind of goofied out from the lettering of the SpongeBob SquarePants show letter. It's like that goofy Kyrie feeling. And on the back, it's kind of like embedded there, Nike symbol. It's also kind of like a goofy, lettering also from the show. And that's about it regarding those specific, details on the outside of the shoe. The Nike symbol, it's kind of like plastic here. It's not really, that special, sort of that regard. And of course, you got this flap that opens up like a flower, and the laces go through it, so to speak. But it's really, to me, it just looks like very... I mean, if you ask me personally, I think this is a little too much, and it just doesn't look right from the shoe standpoint. But some people like it, some people don't. In my opinion, I'm not a fan of that. It just looks really awkward. A couple of lettering here. Also, it says humble right there on the tip of the neon green. It's like engraved on it, so to speak. That's where it says that. The inside of the shoes is actually, for these pairs, are really, really interesting. First off, the nail on the board, okay? The nail on the board is real interesting. I'm gonna take a closer look. And that's because on one of the episodes, Patrick, as you can see right here, it's kind of like that's where they took the reference from, because you don't know what he's doing and you don't know why he does things. That's why they take that into effect. So I thought that was pretty funny. The inside of the shoes, to me, is pretty much more interesting than the actual outside of the shoe, okay? So, I mean, I got a kick out of this, because I'm not a fan of the show, but I've seen this clip before, and I thought that was kind of funny. And that the fact that they put it in there, kind of hilarious if you ask me, but hey. Also, another thing is the inside of it, okay? I don't know if you can see it well, I'll get a close-up. It's Patrick smiling. So think about it, when you're gonna put the shoe on, you get a kick out of just looking at Patrick as you're gonna put the shoe on. And it kind of made me chuckle when I look at it, like, I'm gonna put the shoe on and I see Patrick's goofy smile, smirk, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty unique. That's pretty neat. I thought the inside of this shoe was more interesting than anything else that I've seen. the nail at the board, and then his smile at the bottom. I thought that was real unique, and it's just really interesting. Now let's get to the basics of the shoe, okay? Because it is a basketball shoe, okay? And you know, you use it for basketball, styling, casual wear, whatever, okay? My nephews have been around AA circuits. Kyrie versions of the shoes, where it's 4, 5, 6 going on, they all tell me they're in A. They're one of the best shoes for, you know, playing basketball for the purposes of it. A lot of them say that the grip, the comfort level on it is really good, the protection on the ankle. For basketball purposes, I would have to go with an A, okay? An A. It is really good. From what the feedback I've gotten from the players, say that their favorite versions of the shoes when they play basketball is the Kyries. But, you know, we're gonna go for the casual, you know, lifestyle or style, whatever you want to do. Like, yeah, this doesn't go with a lot of things, as you can see. It's just too bright. The green kind of offsets everything. You know, it doesn't set everything. Excuse me. So you just can't wear this with anything. You know, it's not gonna look good with a pair of jeans and things like that. But that's my opinion. Yours may differ. But it is a very eye-catching shoe. Like, it was like, oh wow, he's wearing bright pink shoes. You know, that'll catch you right away. But for basketball purposes, like I said, I'll go with an A. Lifestyle, style, casual wear. I have to go with a C. Okay, it just doesn't look good. Overall, we'll give the shoe a B grade. It is a good shoe for its intended purposes, but not as a, you know, as a daily wear, something that you would see yourself on the streets. Okay, but that's my opinion. Well, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. I would appreciate any comments, feedback. Like I said, I learn something new every day from the sneaker world, so I would really appreciate it. You guys have a good day, and hopefully you enjoyed the review. Bye. Have a good day.